Now, next tonight, a shaggy dog story with something of a twist in the tail.
Yes, Snowy, the Highland or the West Highland Terrier, is a mischievous little scamp, isn't he? But his latest escapade left even her local vets in Cambridgeshire speechless. Rhiannon Mills picks up the story.
Snowy the Westie is a real little fighter. Like most dogs, she hates cats, especially when they give her indigestion, because this is what vets found when she was having a little stomach trouble.
He phoned up and just said, your cat's eaten 5 kittens. And I went, pardon, but a dog can't have kittens. And he went, no, he said ceramic kittens. And I was just shocked, especially with the biggest one, because she swallowed it whole. And it looked as if the cat was waving to you in the X-ray.
Her owners Sue and Mick Reed had taken her in after she kept being sick and wasn't eating. They tried tests and tablets, but finally an X-ray picked up the problem. An unusual meal of 5 miniature cats, one of them 5 centimetres tall. Vet Nigel Belgrove thought it was an April Fool.
We've seen golf balls, we've seen pebbles, batteries, even a pair of knickers, and it's just a lot of the time it's hard to tell what a dog swallowed because it depends on how thick the object is, how dense it is, and how well it will show up on an X-ray. But in this case, when we got the X-ray out of the processor and saw a cat staring back at us, we just couldn't believe what we're looking at.
Only stomach surgery could get them out. It's been a lifesaver for Snowy, although some of the kittens didn't quite make it.
As you can see, Snowy is doing absolutely fine now. The only difference is a little change in her diet. It's now chicken and rice on the menu, and definitely no cat.
Rhiannon Mills, Anglia News at Wyton, near Huntingdon.
Oh.
And a bit of stick.
Yes, a bit of stick.
Do your dogs eat anything like that? Do they do things they shouldn't?
They do a lot of things they shouldn't, but they don't do things like that. But if they did, I wouldn't want to be standing behind one of them at a particular time, that's for sure.
Well, have you got any animal stories to rival Snowy's or Jonathan's? Well, if you have, get in touch, please.
There's the address on your screen now, Jonathan Becky at itv.com.
Now, thanks to ITV's hugely successful show, Britain's Got Talent, variety is most definitely back.
Certainly is, and that's good news for the stars of Britain's longest-running End of the Pier show at Cromer as they launched their 33rd Seaside Special. Well, Natalie Gray was there for all the razzmatazz.
You know summer's on the way when the Seaside Special double-decker bus rolls into town. The cast all smiles and sequins. This is one of the last End of the Pier variety shows in the country. And this year, they're promising more music, more dancing, and more sparkle.
It's looking for the best of variety from today and from yesterday. Cromer has preserved it for the last 32 years. And in all honesty, Britain's Got Talent is just stealing a moment in our lifetime. We'll be there long after they're gone.
Naomi Tagg from South Africa finds herself thousands of miles away from World Cup action.
It is very unique. I've worked in shows before and on a cruise ship and things like that, but never quite a variety show of this kind, so this is very exciting for me and something quite special.
Well, let me tell you, I was very proud last October to finish my first film.
So did I, but I haven't got it back from Boots yet.
So, Simmons and Simmons, you're back for another year. Couldn't they find anyone else?
No, they've been struggling, but we lived on the back of the pier, actually, for the whole year, waiting for them to ask us again.
Squatting?
Yeah, squatting.
Going home.
From tap and ballet to Bollywood. That should get them dancing in the aisles. The show's already got off to a flying start. It runs until September the 18th. Natalie Gray, Anglia News, Cromer.
Wow. He picked her up in the next shot. Yeah, it was really good, wasn't it?
Right, let's catch up with the national team now as we edge ever closer to the rest of your news hour. Here on...
Now, Amanda's been out and about in Potter Heigham today. She joins us now. Not looking quite as windy as Clacton earlier on in the week for Victoria, but still a little bit blowy there.
Yeah, it has been. My hair has been stuck in my lip gloss all day thanks to this wind, but it has actually been quite nice down here today. Not so lucky for Europe though. They've actually had some pretty torrential downpours of rain, 350 millimetres of rainfall over there, and they're not out of the woods just yet. In fact, if I just show you this chart here, you can see there's a deep area of low pressure that's travelling up from southern Europe, and that is going to bring some nasty rain into parts of Italy over the weekend. Now, it is trying to wedge its way towards us, but we've got high pressure protecting us at the moment, which will block the rain and bring in some dry conditions. Now, that's great news for most of us, but not such great news for the gardens and fields. I don't think we've seen much water on the ground for the next few days. Let's take a look.
Now, it's been a few weeks since we were last at the Anglia allotment, and on Monday we'll be heading back there to see how it's going, or precisely, you will be.
I will, and don't be surprised, because I am a real jardinier. Having reported on recycling and the plight of the honeybee, our next visit will take a look at the growing number of schools that are having a go at growing their own.
Digging around.
You only have to look at the faces and fingers to see that children love being in the garden, getting mucky and growing something. What could be better?
Schools aren't taking plots on allotment fields to get them out of the school, to use it as part of the school curriculum, and I think it's a brilliant idea.
School allotments are springing up all over the East. It's healthy, educational, and it doesn't half taste good in the school canteen. If your school has caught the growing bug, then let us know all about it. Send us your pictures and stories. We love getting them. The Anglia allotment. It's top of the class.
Yay!
I got my hoe, I got my rake, and I'm ready to go.
And you got it.
Are you looking forward to it?
Oh, I am indeed. I've got to go and buy all the gear now. Of course,
Well,
the gloves, the wellies. I've got to get the hat, haven't I?
You'll love it.
I am
We'll see
looking
you
forward to it.
tomorrow.
See you then.
Bye.
Bye-bye.